Welcome back to Squawk. Hiking taxes has historically been viewed as a liability for the party leading that charge, but that may be changing. Elon Moore joins us this morning with more. Elon.
Well, Andrew, the Biden administration believes it's got a winning hand in the fight over taxes. We obtained copies of internal White House memos outlining the argument that this isn't just about paying for infrastructure and education, and that, in fact, it's primarily about what Anita Dunn, one of Biden's senior advisors, calls restoring basic fairness to the tax code. A recent Monmouth University poll found that nearly 2/3 of Americans support raising taxes on corporations and the wealthy. And the White House memo claims that billionaires like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates agree, though clearly their position appears to be more nuanced than that. So how much could one person wind up paying? Let's say you're a single person making $2 million in ordinary salaried income. Your tax bill would be almost $42,000 higher from the increase in the top rate to 39.6%. But if your $2 million was all in capital gains, you get hit a lot harder. Your taxes would go up by $196,000 since gains over $1 million would be taxed as ordinary income. Now, that is just one person. Apply that across the top 0.3%. And here's how much Biden's plan is projected to raise over the course of a decade. $430 billion from the increase in cap gains and getting rid of stepped-up basis, $112 billion from raising the top rate, $339 billion from closing loopholes, and $700 billion from enhanced IRS enforcement. So, guys, the poll numbers that the White House is looking at do show a sizable number of Republican voters supporting the plan. They're hoping that'll convince Republican lawmakers to get on board as well.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.